Alright, what's happening, bro? Look at this, man. I need to show you guys this. Oh my god, like, look at. And that's the size for it. Okay, I put the new clutch on. I'm gonna try to put the gearbox back in. So I'm basically gonna try to lift the gearbox. Up and back in. Spin cut the start cabin. Right, what's happening, bro? That's me finish putting it back together. You can put it on the ground and that. Nothing here. Hey, hardly got any fuel in it. Oh well, it's driving. It's driving, as you can see. It is driving, which is good. Put in reverse. Let's see how you go in reverse. All good, my man. All good. Claps for me. Oh, thank you, man. Sorted. Let's go. That is sorted. Let's go. I see you later on.